Hey, bird. Come here.
Tell him I'm detoxing.
Come here. Give me a kiss.
I won't talk too embarrassed.
Give me a kiss.
You don't have to do anything you want to do. Except never
Come on.
share us again and go to A&E
Come here.
for the rest of your life. Oh.
I go right to your left.
Oh, yeah. We're gonna put you on America's Funniest Pets.
Bite your nose off, you might.
And we're gonna win $10,000. Bite my nose. Bite my hair. Can we do something for you to bite my nose? That doesn't work. You want a loogie?
Get the kitty up there and I start going.
I'll get the fat cat up here.
Oh, black kitty's down there.
Now, do they get along?
No, yeah.
Black kitty? Red bird? Hey, come here. What's her name?
Lexi's the bird.
They're gonna change the audio anyway, so it doesn't matter. What's her name?
No, Lexi's the bird and the black kitty's the cat.
The cat? She doesn't have a name?
Black kitty.
Black kitty.
Black kitty. Black kitty. You don't like the bird, do you?
That's
Black
what the
kitty?
vet said when I.
She doesn't like the bird. How about Fatso here? Does Fatso like the bird?
Vet was disgusted with the whole situation.
Fatso.
He was the original.
This is the fattest cat you've ever seen in your life. Move the Budweiser and let's get a picture of this fat. This is the fattest cat you've ever seen in your entire life. This cat's got to weigh 25 pounds.
Yeah, it was 22 last time. She was
That was
weighing.
my last
She's
picture.
got a lot
That
of.
was the best picture I got.
I love you.
God, that was the last
pretty
picture I
bird.
got, but it was picture.
Now kiss the kitty. Kiss. That's what I want to see. Is kiss the kitty.
Did I kiss the kitty?
Kiss the kitty. Kiss the kitty. Kiss the kitty.
Put the kitty's here. Yeah, we're getting ready for the America's Home Funniest Pet now.
Oh, it's all right.
That bird
That's
likes
it. Eat my
you.
nose. Eat my nose. Well, what should we do now?
The fattest cat in the whole world. Well, I got the best picture on him.
What
That
about
was
this
the
guy? What about this guy?
poor black kitty kissed the kitty.
Yeah, it was up there.
Oh my! This is wonderful. Oh, you want me? Kiss the kitty. Oh shit! Fat cat.
Oh, here we go.
Fat cat.
Troublemaker. Troublemaker. And then she wonders why the bird bites her. She puts the cat in the iguana's cage. The
Oh
bird
yeah,
is
stick your tail right in the right in the cat's face. Tail, bird tail.
Black kitty
Hey,
has
bird.
a star.
Oh,
Why that
yes, you're
bird?
wonderful.
How does it know whether it's a male or a female?
I guess it wasn't a female cat. Oh yeah. Oh, you like the boogers?
The cat really does.
Mark, I want a copy of this tape.
Well, this is your tape. We talking about. Hey, you're squirting water on me.
What?
You're squirting water on me.
Oh, God forbid.
What was that noise? I don't like it.
Oh, what are you doing? Come on, you're like a dog. You like to be petted. This is an incredible bird. What is this? Huh?
No, it's
Keto. Air conditioning.
epileptus.
Epileptic?
That's how I remember it. It's epileptic.
Epilepsy.
It's epileptus. That's how I remember
You have
it.
seizures.
What was that noise? I didn't like it.
It was in
Make it go away.
That's
told you.
videotape.
Make it go away.
Oh, let's get it on. Come on, let's get it on.
that air conditioning
Oh
vent.
my
Oh my God. Well, turn that fan
Let's get it
on.
on.
Next time it goes on, turn the fan off and see what happens. Oh man, go turn quick. That down. See if it goes away.
Am I doing?
The slider on the left, you know, just the auto one on.
Make sure you got this. This is
Oh,
great.
it's on
Oh, darling.
No, you're supposed to wait till it starts squealing and then turn it off. Make sure that was what was making the noise. Now turn it off, quick, make me see if the noise goes away. Oh, that's bad. Okay,
Oh.
leave it off then.
Oh,
But it is.
are you out of the mood?
That's it.
No. You're still in the mood.
And Black Kitty's there trying to get him.
It's in the
Oh.
picture too.
Get Black Kitty up there.
That is up there.
Black Kitty. Come on, Black Kitty. Here, Blackie. Blackie.
Black Kitty, get up there.
Come on. That kitty a rabbit's foot.
Black Kitty. You like the bird?
The
Bird will kiss
likes
you too. Bird will kiss you. Oh yeah.
With the bird on like the back of Rascals.
Oh, she keeps kissing me.
The bird was.
Mike, I'll split this with you. We're gonna make $10,000 here, easy.
No, you ain't make nothing.
Oh yeah.
You'd be surprised. People like to look
You'd be
at
surprised.
that.
When it grabs
You'd
your
be
tongue and
surprised
rips it out of your mouth, then we're gonna make the $10,000.
We got it.
No, you aren't screaming in pain yet. that's blood.
I can do that, Mike.
That Black Kitty, I guess.
Mike, these are great pictures. These are gonna go in.
Okay, that'll do. That's like the best
I
picture.
can't get your
That'll
arms
win
off.
$1,000.
No.
You're a good bird.
I'm gonna fall
You're like a dog. You are. You're like a dog.
It's like a big dog.
I've never seen a bird like you in my life.
It'll bite me to death.
Come on.
Yeah, that one might get into playing his own videos or pets or whatever and let Kern play with the bird.
Oh, did you
Yeah.
bite my ear? Let her get my ear.
Bite the shit out of her and then Kern starts screaming.
Yeah, and I yell and scream and.
You're in the.
She's doing my ear. What? You did what?
Hannah,
You
here,
want?
can
You
get
want
in?
to do what? You want to take me where? Love you.
It loves you.
Oh. Why are you doing it?
Ran out of earwax in the other one.
She ain't in my ear. She's just in the ear.
We now continue with tonight's Telefax 13 movie, Postcards from the Edge, starring Meryl Streep.
Mike, I'm telling you, we're just gonna send.
I'm Ted, designed to make your life more than a place to be.
Yeah, yes, darling. In a little while. But let's kiss some.
This is the timer how long I've been holding this camera up here, is it?
Let's kiss some.
Poor girl.
Oh,
Yeah.
kiss me.
You don't like me anymore.
Darling.
Who took that about my $500?
Huh?
Oh, yeah.
Off at my $500.
Oh, Mike, this
It's
is.
like $500.
So you did. Credit union did.
Mike, this is a $10,000 winner.
Yeah, but
Yeah,
I'll hold the
that
camera
might
straight and make everybody think they're crooked. Ow. I can't handle this a whole lot longer.
I'll tell you what will make the money.
Yeah, when Lexi tears that tongue out of his mouth, we gotta run to the hospital and take pictures of it later on at the hospital.
What are you talking about, the $500?
But the credit union took from me, and I noticed I showed you.
Yeah, why are you talking to me about it like I did it?
I didn't, I'm not.
Don't you kiss me now.
I didn't.
Yes, you did. You accused me of taking your $500.
Oh, get out of here. Oh, no. Yeah, at least you got a new subject to yell about, though.
They can take whatever they want to of this.
Okay,
But
get
Mike, I
this.
want a copy of this. This is great.
What ain't copy?
Get this.
Hey, get.
Oh, now we get a little cat along with the little pussy. Come on.
Because this is gonna win you the $500. Hey Romeo!
Well, hey,
Hey, Romeo.
it's great to
Hey,
get
Romeo.
chat. We're gonna review and do what you have to do, and we'll see you outside.
Romeo.
Go like that.
Oh, this would be wonderful if I can do this here. Come on.
You can do it.
No, remember that. I do that with the dog. I think the dog liked the claws in his back.
You don't, no, it's okay.
No, Romeo, come here.
It'll do it. It did it for me.
Come here, Romeo.
It did
That's all she does all day, sit there and torment these animals.
Romeo. 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 Romeo.
I gotta get back up here.
It did it for me.
Romeo. Romeo, it's wonderful.
Romeo's disgusted. She moved the pepper from behind Romeo there.
That will win $5,000.
Nah, we've seen birds with.
Yeah, that's it. Get a picture for me. Romeo!
Romeo. Bird.
Romeo!
What's the bird's name?
Lexi.
Lexi. Lexi.
Romeo!
Lexi.
Oh.
That was a $5,000 winner, wasn't it? Yeah, the problem with that year is
It's recording.
No, I don't think that's any problem at all whatsoever. The problem is that it is a fancy, good year there. Everyone likes it.
Are you gonna say a few words here?
Not me. I'm not gonna say anything. Take the bird down. Come on. Come on.
Put in there the kitty.
Just bird down.
Oh, that's good.
Oh.
Oh, Lord. This is too much. That's real funny.
They're gonna make it funny.
Hopefully we get the lights back on here without too much of a delay. Don, you brought a lot of flights for having you're all set to go.
Oh, they told him.
Warmed up,
Well, that
ready to
would
be
be
introduced.
anyway.
All of a sudden you have an indefinite
And you can close up by pressing the button on the top or turning it.
They get old.
Talk to me.
The Senators will get a new home. There'll be sports and entertainment complex bringing the best of Buffalo. It'll start the 96-97 season. It's not
Yeah, no, they was no wrong. At least I can do
near the Buffalo
Now you can go all the way
Water
around.
actually behind the Memorial Auditorium.
Oh, you found a way.
Just little things like open the door and Justin Striker. Tiny little things like that.
Oh, God, that bird loves you.
Friends, buddies.
Let me know. I'll be around all week.
Buddies.
Oh.
Okay.
Hello.
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 No, go
My
to.
message machine is the pager machine. I'll call right back to you.
Well, actually, I
Okay.
did go to one event. I saw the UFC 3, so I wasn't there live, and I thought it was on tape. And it's
Can I take this home with
Any
me?
animals over here? No,
Okay.
my buddy.
Who's that?
That's my newest buddy, matter of fact. Lexi.
All right, guys, well, we have the
Did you hear the story about Lexi, or how I got Lexi?
back and show